来看这美国官员乌克兰的这国会是认为讲，这是有通阻挡中国对台湾的野心。也那美国共和党众议员是表示讲，这北京起码是当咧观察这美国华府到底是安怎来应对这罗西亚的威胁。也那这 Trump 对罗西亚制裁等等，买当互中国知影讲，其实美国是无咧军生笑的。
美国总统川普10时表示，下晡爱国者会团在内军备由北约买了后送到乌克兰，同时对罗西亚下达15日停火期限。长期支持台湾的共和党众议员威尔森认为，川普政府转向支持乌克兰，应阻止中国对台湾的野心。
When Xi sees the consequence of worldwide ostracization, and also he'll find out that Donald Trump is serious. When he does sanctions, he means sanctions.
虽然民主党众议员温德曼批评50日期限成久，川普也可能反悔，不过参议外交委员会民主党首席议员谢亨表达支持，因为川普的决策研究真济乌克兰人的性命。
The people of Ukraine have stood against a much larger enemy. Just like Taiwan is facing a much larger enemy, but was able to survive. So that's an inspiration to the people of Taiwan that they must develop peace through strength.
比今年2月，川普甲乌克兰总统泽伦斯基伫北京对呛，川普对两国战争的立场大转换，也促成党内归队消停乌克兰。国会山总部分析，美军6月轰炸伊朗了后，并不加入中东战争，后美方对两国战争的态度更加强硬。
川普这个月是表示，伊感觉讲，伊甲俄罗斯总统普丁的谈判无法度有实际成果。川普伫外交政策，我向鹰派这边。 共和党人是认为中国看伫眼内。
共和党众议员唐宁表示，北京咧观察美国安怎应对伊朗甲罗西亚，佮想要做出弱点，试探美国的防线。
I don't think Xi Jinping is going to do anything while Trump's in office, and I'm very confident in that. They're running a marathon, and a lot of other people are trying to run sprints. I mean, they're looking at reunification in 50 years. Not most of us are looking in 4-year increments, and so that's a very different way that we have to look about.
若要长期对抗台美合作，一定要搁进一步。美国参议军事委员会第2026年度国防授权法案当中，对邀请台湾海军参加环台军演，将当年使用的建议改做强烈建议，为乌克兰战场甲台海紧张局势发挥的转变态度，积极应对。公司国际记者彭祖哲美国报道。